You know, that photo, the one of your mum or your grandma back when they were in their 20s, curled at the edges, a little faded, maybe a stain across the corner. The one you've been meaning to do something with for years. What if I told you that in about 5 minutes from your phone for free, AI can give you a clearer version of that photo than you've ever seen? Hey, welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. I'm Alan, still the AI version of me. And yes, that's still a thing I have to say at the start of every video. If you're new here, that's Sam Redcap over there. And Sam's basically you, figuring AI out in real time. Today, we're going to fix an old family photo. I'll show you the tools, the steps, and more importantly, the things to watch out for. Because AI will get carried away and turn your grandpa into a Hollywood star if you let it. First, a quick what's actually happening moment. When AI restores a photo, it's not magic. Remember the well-read friend from earlier episodes? Same idea. Except this time, instead of having read millions of books, AI has seen millions of photos. Clear ones, blurry ones, old ones, modern ones. So when you hand it a faded, crinkled photo of your gran in 1962, it doesn't really see what's there. It guesses what probably was there based on every similar photo it's ever seen. That's why it can fill in cheeks, eyes, hair, even patterns on a dress. It's pattern matching, not memory. That's the magic, and that's also the warning. We'll come back to it later. Step 1. Pick the right photo. Most of you have one of two situations. Either the photo is already on your phone, maybe you scanned it years ago, maybe it was sent to you in a family group chat, or it's still a physical photo sitting in an album. If it's physical, just take a clean phone photo of it. Lay it flat on a table, good light, no shadow from your hand, and shoot straight down. That's it. Don't overthink this part. AI is more forgiving than your art teacher was. Step 2. Pick a tool. You don't actually need a specialized photo app for this. The two AI tools you probably already know, ChatGPT and Gemini, can both restore old photos. Free, work on your phone or your laptop, and the workflow is the same as anything else you've ever asked them. Attach an image, give it a prompt. You don't need to download anything new. If you've used either of them for emails, summaries, or research, you already have the tool you need. Pick one. They both work. Try one, and if you don't love the result, try the other. Same photo, different brain. Step 3. Attach the photo, prompt, and let AI cook. The workflow is the same in both ChatGPT and Gemini. Drop the photo into the chat, same way you'd attach a photo to a text message. Then type a short instruction. Something like, restore this old family photo. Sharpen the faces, fix the fading, but keep it looking natural. Hit send. Wait 15 to 30 seconds. Then look at what comes back. The first time you do this, it feels a bit like a magic trick. The eyes come back, the hair has texture, the face has detail. A photo that looked lost suddenly looks like it was taken last week. Step 4, and this is the one most people skip. Review the result carefully. Remember what I said earlier. AI is guessing. It's a confident guesser, but it is guessing. Things to check. Faces. Does it still look like the person you remember? If the photo was very blurry, AI sometimes invents a face that's not quite your grandmother. It's her, but a stranger's version of her. Hands and jewelry. AI sometimes tidies up rings, watches, and wedding bands. Check what was there originally. Backgrounds. Faded patterns on wallpaper or dresses can get reinvented entirely. Colorization. If you used a colorizer, treat the colors as a guess, not a fact. AI doesn't know what color your grandpa's jumper actually was. It's making its best estimate. If it suddenly looks like he's wearing Tropicana orange, that's the AI improvising. And the most important rule, always keep the original. Save the restored version as a copy. Never overwrite the only photo you have of someone. Quick recap. And then I want to send you off with something useful. I made a free one-page cheat sheet with the 4 steps, the tools to try, and the things to double-check before you share the restored photo. Link in the description. Save it to your phone so you've got it next time you find an old photo in a drawer. 3 things to take with you. 1. AI photo restoration is one of the most genuinely magical uses of AI for ordinary people. If you've been on the fence about whether AI is useful in everyday life, this is the use case. 2. It's pattern matching, not memory. AI is filling in what probably was there. Most of the time, it's spot on. Sometimes it isn't. 3. Keep the original, always. If you try this with a photo of someone you love, I genuinely love to hear about it. Drop a comment telling me whose photo you brought back. If this video helped, hit subscribe and check out the playlist for the other everyday AI episodes. We've covered prompting, spotting AI fakes, voice cloning, and more. See you in the next one.